In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of viral AI videos. So to do that, first we need to go to Novoads AI, the link is going to be in the comment section, and here you need to create an account. You can try this platform for just $1. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we need to use the model GPT Image 2. Now in quality, we're going to use the low quality, and here where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here, and now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result, and now we have to download the image we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section, go to settings, and here we're going to use the model Scient 2.0 mini. This because it's a very cheap model that creates video of a very high quality. And in duration, I'm going to use 8 seconds. Now we have to use the following prompt. And well, I forgot to say that with the $1 offer, you receive 10 credits, so you could do more or less 5 videos like the one we're going to do. Now we have to click here, and now we have to upload the image that we download. So let's click here, and now we have to click here. Now click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I'm not slow. There are too many of us.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do videos like this one, remember that for just $1, you can do like 5 videos like the one we did. This if you are a new user of Novoads AI. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.